back to my channel, Crystal's Corner, my little corner of the country. Today I have got a daily goodie box that came, and this I got, these are just free boxes that you get if you follow them on Facebook and you like their posts and comment. I commented on one, and I think it was the first 100 people to comment or whatever got a daily goodie box, or if they deemed you someone they wanted to get a box or whatever, I don't know. But anyway, sorry I sound like a, what do I sound like, Joel? Like I'm in a hole because I have a cold, so my head is completely stopped up. But I wanted to get on here and share this with you. I wasn't really expecting this today, I kind of forgot about it, so I'm excited to open it with you. See what I got in my daily goodie box. And again, you can go on there on Facebook and find them. Just type in daily goodie box, and you can find them on there and follow them. They've got some neat stuff. So this thing is really taped. And again, I came to you from a different section of my den today since it's Christmas season. I thought I'd come to you from part of the den that was decorated for Christmas, which is really kind of majorly decorated because I have 2 trees this year. Alright, Tucker, here's you a box to play with. And this is what this looks like. Daily goodie box. And let's dig in. I have no idea what's in here. This is what it looks like when you open it. It says you got a goodie box. Please enjoy all the free samples and full-size products included inside. Remember to log into your account and share your thoughts on everything included in this box. I sure will. So you could also make an account with them. How about that? It's a box full of stuff. Lots of goodies. Maybe there's something in here for my cold. That would be neat. Okay. E-Light concentrate of pure electrolytes, fights cramps, replenishes and hydrates, and restores energy levels. I could use this right now. So there is something in here I can use for today. It's called Body Bio. Pretty neat. Just add to water. So I'll put some in the water bottle. I can't believe I got something. Oh, all these, they must know I have a cold. Energy support. These are little, looks like little vitamins. I can't believe I got on here without my glasses. You guys know I can't see crap. Hey babe, would you bring me my glasses? Right over there on the table. Adrenal, I don't want to read it because I can't see it. Right there. Maybe you guys can see it better than me. I can't read this and I don't want to, thank you. Okay, Adrenal Extra Energy Support. 12 vegetarian tablets. Non-caffeine energy. Have to give those a try. Let's see what else. Oh yes. Oh, this sounds yummy. Hard candy. Joel, Tucker hears that. He's coming running. Hard candy assortment, caramel macchiato, mocha mint, and espresso. Yes. Some of my favorite flavors all in one bag. Sounds really good. Mochachi. Hard candy. You cannot have that, Tucker. Nope. Let's see what else. Elastic no-tie shoelaces, 2-pair pack. This is some stuff I can stick in stockings, I think. Sorry about that, a phone ring. These are lock laces. Elastic no-tie shoelaces, 2-pair. Kind of cool. If you hear some of this stuff, you might end up getting some of it in your stocking, so don't listen, Joel. He just got home from work, so I tried to talk him into doing the video with me. He's like, nope. When I told him it wasn't Luxury Diva, he said, nope. hopefully I can keep him coming back for that one. Let's see what this is. It's really wrapped up. Gosh, this is nice stuff. Dalmatia fig spread. Huh, that sounds yummy. To put on toast. I like all this stuff. Pretty neat things in my daily goodie box. I bet you like that too, Tucker. You cannot have it. Nibmore organic dark chocolate wild Maine blueberry. Looks like a chocolate bar. A bite-sized, guilt-free daily dose of yum. Think I'll be eating that. I love some chocolate. All kinds of chocolate. Dark chocolate, milk chocolate. I don't really like white chocolate too much, but I like all other kinds of chocolate. Okay, this is heartburn relief. Enzymatica. Lasts for hours. You know, I do have that sometimes. Might have to try that. I try to use essential oils for things like that, but that might be something to try if I can't get it to go away. And then, oh my gosh, they're killing me with all this yummy stuff. Frey is the brand. Swiss Premium Swiss Chocolate Blonde Crunchy Almond Bar. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take this stuff and stick it in the stockings behind me. That way I won't be tempted. Who's kidding? I'm gonna probably eat it. That's nice. Let's see. Nice product. Okay, I think that's it. Looks like I got some little cards for 25% off the lace-ups. And here's a get your first bottle 40% off of the heartburn relief. So some little discount codes in here. Bio Body products, the E-Light Pure Electrolytes, coupon for that. Nibmore Organic, that's cool. Organic, it's just a 20% off coupon for that. Thank you for being our customer. Please enjoy 25% off your next online purchase from MNP products. That was the Healthcare Solutions. What was that? Synergistically complete. Oh, I think that's the one for energy. That's a coupon for that. And then a Healthcare Solutions naturopathic programs. I'm all about natural stuff. Especially I have hypothyroidism, so I'm always about things like that, and vitamins. And it looks like they have a thyroid vitamin that you can order, so that's cool. All right, that's it for my daily goodie box that I got. And if, like I said, if you'd like to check them out, you can go on Facebook and just type in Daily Goodie Box. And occasionally they'll have a not a contest, but they'll have a thing where they'll say if you comment and you're the first 100 comments or whatever, then you may receive a daily goodie box. So I'm super excited that I got one, and you guys go on there and check them out because they do have a lot of good products. And here again is what it looks like. So you might get one for you, and you can do a review on it as well. I think I like it. Says it's more than just free samples. I agree. I got a lot of good sized products. Okay guys, have a blessed rest of your day. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please consider doing so and hit the little bell so that you're notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.